All right. So if you guys have watched a few of these videos so far, you know that usually we're on Zoom. And today I have an amazing opportunity to hang out with our client, Kaitlyn Clark, live in the flesh at her lovely home in Colorado. So I got to come up here to visit her. I'm her account manager and have been working with her for a bit to develop her TEDx talk. So we just wanted to talk today about how that journey's been so far for her and what that process is. So hopefully she can share with you, and it can just be a little bit of a bird's eye view of what it would look like to be a part of this program. What made you come to us, a thought leader, to help develop your TEDx talk? And on that same line, like, what made you want to do a TEDx talk in the first place?
So I've been working with courage to overcome some fears, and public speaking is probably my biggest fear. So I felt like that's what I need to do then, is just work with that. And I had something to share about hula hooping and what a difference it can make in people's lives. And it's changed my own life, and I watch it change other people's lives. So I felt like this is a platform for me to be. It's really actually about efficiency, to reach as many people as possible, so I don't have to go one by one and share it. I still do share one by one, but this is just a much bigger platform to be able to share all at once and then continue with my life. Mm-hmm. So I was scrolling on Instagram, as we do, and Taylor came up and was talking about giving a TEDx talk, and I was like, I've always wanted to do this, because as scared as I am, I feel like I have something to share. So he spoke to me in that way, and he was just so down to earth and authentic, and I could really feel that because he was just vulnerable and real, and I appreciated that. And I felt like if I'm going to do this, that's the kind of people I want to work with, people who are real and here and supportive and have their own journey where they were scared too. I felt like, okay, these are my people. And I've been working with this company for a little over a year because it takes some time and it's a process, but I really appreciate that there's structure, there's content, there's support, there are workshops, and there's just everything that you could possibly need is in there. And so it really is just up to me, and I can see where do I get in my own way, but it's not anything to do with them or what's available. It's all right there laid out in an organized manner that's accessible and user-friendly, and that is just as easy as it could possibly be.
Kaitlyn's still in the middle of her TEDx journey, so she hasn't yet landed a talk. We've been working on developing her idea for a bit now. So just wanted to give you kind of a view of what it's like in the middle of the process. So if you wouldn't mind sharing one more thing, which would be what's something that you have learned through working through this struggle so far, like something that you didn't expect going into it.
I mean, I've learned how much this matters to me because it's on my radar and in my awareness all the time. And I'm thinking about, as I'm living my life, does this go in my talk? Is this a good story? Is this relevant? Is it helpful? And so just kind of piecing or putting together what is just for me and my learning and my own journey versus like what will serve other people and help them. And so I think that's a piece that I've really learned more through having the support and the structure with talk workshops and intensives, is to figure out what's the message that I want to deliver that can actually help people versus just my own personal growth path.
Well, I love you and I love working with you as a client. So thanks for coming on.
You too. You're welcome.
Would it be too much pressure to have you do a little hoop thing so we can
No, that's
check
what
it
I
out?
do.
Yay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So Kaitlyn is a kind of like a professional, or she is a professional hula hooper, and that's what her talk is going to be about helping people find flow and their authenticity through doing something in their body, and for her it's hooping. So she's going to come and show you a little bit of it.
So this is a hoop that I found on the street, and it's part of how I began my journey, was because somebody was throwing it away. So sometimes somebody else's trash is your treasure, and it was literally just divine timing. It has fallen out of my car. It's been lost at Burning Man, and we have a lot of room for it. It's kind of a wide load hoop, but this is the hoop that loves to teach people because it's just so easy and it's just the right size. And the whole point of it is to help you get out of your head and into your body so that you can hear yourself and what's going on and be able to make decisions with more clarity, and to be human and make mistakes, to stay kind when you do that. It just doesn't matter. So it's just like a really easy access personal growth tool for self-development and hearing yourself and getting out of your head, because we spend way too much time up there analyzing and deciding, and it helps me move into flow. So there you
Awesome.
go. Yeah.
Yay, thank you for sharing.
You're welcome.
So exciting. All right, well, we're gonna go out and enjoy the day in Denver, and she's gonna teach me how to hoop. So thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.